Hey guys, it's Jamie, and today we're freaking... No, I have to do the whole thing over. Hey guys, today we're freaking fragging making fish food. I have all the ingredients set up right here. We have some raw shrimp, some fish, tilapia, raw tilapia. Right here we have some, I forget what it's called. It's baby shrimp and seaweed. And I will also be adding phytoplankton, some zooplankton, some pellets, and some flakes to my concoction. We have a blender that I use for my fish food. I've been making this for about almost a year now, and my fish love it. I feed my anemone, my fish, my shrimp, and even my coral I feed it this. And all I need is this one food, and everybody gets in on it and gets their nutrition. So I put my raw shrimp into my cup, and I've cut up little pieces of the fish. I just throw it all in, and I rip up my seaweed, put that in there. And I'll put in a little bit of the flakes. We'll put in some pellets. Now this batch makes me quite a bit. So one batch will actually last me probably 2 months. So I put a little bit of zooplankton in, some phytoplankton, and you can add whatever fish food you prefer, whatever phytoplankton brand. I just use Brightwell Aquatics. I really like that brand, and the Omega-1, we use that. But I will put in everything that I used in the description. Also, so you put all the stuff you want in your blender cup, and then you fill it up with roadie water, or you could even use your tank water if you want, but I prefer roadie water. So we are going to use my roadie water, and we're going to pour a little bit in. I just pour in a little bit to get it wet and make it easier for blending. Put your blade on, well, whatever your blender has. And then you blend it. That should be good. So then after that, you have your mixture. And now I have these that I ordered off Amazon, I believe. They are little tiny ice cube trays, and they're great because actually when I get done making these, one of these cubes is good for about one fish, I would say. So for how many fish you have, you can just, like, if you have 5 fish, you can use 5 cubes. It's easy. You're not overfeeding. And well, my anemone, I kind of do 3 cubes for the anemone. but that's just me. So I have one of these, and I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. It looks like I need to blend it a little more because I got really big chunks, and you don't want that. So you want to get it blended, so it's like liquidy, but has a little bit of meat in there, kind of like how lump crab is. Okay, so now what I'm doing is taking my trays that I got, and I have my pipette, I believe that's what they call it, and I'm just filling up my individual cubes with my mixture. And now I will do this and fill it all up. Sometimes you might run into some chunks of meat, and that's good. I just kind of like place them in the individual trays and pour the mixture over it. And now I'll do this and fill up both of my trays. See that there's some chunks right there, so I just put it in there like that. So after that, I'll fill both my trays up, and then I will throw them in the freezer until frozen, like regular ice cubes. And then I take them and I'll take them out of the tray and put them in a baggie. And I'll have my little cubes for the week, or however long they last, months. And my fish love it. My anemones love it. Corals love it. My Duncans love eating this stuff. So like I said, it's good for your entire tank. And they live off of it. Now I feed my fish frozen food every other day. I'll feed them. And the days that I don't feed them the frozen food, I will just pour in a little phytoplankton or zooplankton into my tank for my corals. So everybody gets the nutrition they need. And it's been working for me. My tank is beautiful. I'm happy with this process. So just sharing it with you guys so that you can save some money. You can go to the supermarket, get whatever fish is on sale, or shrimp. I always put shrimp in my concoction. So there you have it, your own frozen fish food. Come back and watch more of my channel.